We're looking at homework from section 2.5. This is question number 12. Find the 5-number summary and draw a box and whisker plot of the data. So when we have a set of data like this and we want to do the 5-number summary, which involves finding the quartiles, we need to have the data set in order. So the first thing I'm going to do here is order the data set. Let's go ahead and do that now. Now that I have the data set in order, then I can go ahead and start to find the quartiles. There are 20 data values here, so I'm going to underline 9 on each side, which leaves 2 central entries, 7 and 7. The average of those two will be Q2. So 7 and 7 have an average of 7, so Q2 is 7. Then, that 7, though, is not either one of those two 7s. It's actually a 7 that falls between those. So that means to the left-hand side of our median, there are 10 data values, and to the right-hand side, there are 10 data values. So we'll underline 4 to each side, which leaves 2 central entries on each side of the data. Those 2 central entries on the left are 5 and 6, and on the right, they're 8 and 9. So Q1 will be the average of 5 and 6, which is 5.5. Q3 will be the average of 8 and 9, which is 8.5. So those are our quartiles. The minimum value here, which is another one of the numbers in the 5-number summary, is 1, and the maximum is 9. So now we have our complete 5-number summary. The minimum is 1, Q1 is 5.5, Q2 is 7, Q3 is 8.5, and the maximum is 9. Those values go together to make up your box and whisker plot. So to build a box and whisker plot, we need a number line that stretches from the minimum to the maximum. So here's a number line that stretches from 1 to 9. Then we're going to plot each one of those 5 values along the number line. So we have our minimum value of 1, then 5.5, 7, and 8.5 for our quartiles, and the maximum value of 9. We're going to extend a box around our interquartile range, which goes from Q1 to Q3. So this is what our box and whisker plot should look like. And that's the answer.